When you open the package, you will see a myCobot 280 Jetson Nano. There is a power cable. When using the robot arm, please connect this power cable to avoid potential damage to robot. This is HDMI cable to link the robot arm to the monitor. And this USB Type-C cable, which connects the robot with the computer for software development. We should check its appearance in case of obvious stains and scratches. Check whether the screw falls off or gets loose to prevent extra damage in logistics. The first axis refers to the joint from the top and the bottom which connects between the base and the robot arm, and the sixth axis without limit rotates. We should pay attention to the limit of each joint. The interfaces in the base includes power button, DC port, 40-pin I/O interface, Type-C port, HDMI port, USB 3.0, USB 2.0x2, RJ45 network port and MarsCat USB. Connect power cord with DC port. Connect keyboard with USB. Connect monitor with HDMI port. Connect mouse with USB. On the top, there is expandable interface. Atom Type-C interface. Atom Grove. Pin port.